Hello guys, welcome to my new video in which I will teach you how to set up your first page in WordPress. Let's begin. I presuppose that you have already installed your WordPress to your PC and it's running on your local host. Next, you will be asked to fill in the title of your website and login credentials, which you will later use to access your WordPress administration, so choose some secure login that you will not forget. I will use weak password and confirm the usage of the weak password, but I do not recommend you this option for usage on public server. Now we are going to log into our administration. Fill in the login or email and password that you have set. After successful login, we are redirected to a WordPress dashboard. Here we can see some information about the web, latest changes, new updates of installed plugins, etc. Now I am going to show you how to create a page, which is the basic WordPress component. So just move to the left panel and click the page. This is where you can edit your page content. You can add text fields, images, galleries, and much more. Do not forget to press Update button to save the changes you have made. Now we create completely new empty page. So put some title there. This title will be later used in navigation menu. WordPress offers you by default many modules that you can use for free. Now you can see that the title of the new page has been automatically added to the navigation. Next, WordPress components are posts. Posts are displayed by default on the landing page, but you can change that in theme settings. Themes are basically templates for websites. It includes some color sets and pre-made layouts that will automatically apply to your content once you activate it. Typically, the themes are for free, but you need to pay for some extra functions and add-ons. Let's install some plugins and put them on website. You just need to install the plugin and then click See Activate. Once you activate, you need to go to the plugin settings, generate a shortcode for particular settings, and then go to page when you want the plugin to be displayed on. That's all from this tutorial. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and feel free to give me a subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.